Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the new video. In the previous video, we have done the explanation of sentence, subject and predicate, and also kinds of sentences. But in this video, we are going to रिवाइज सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. अगर आपको कोई सेंटेंस दिया और उस सेंटेंस में आपको बोला गया है दैट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई कि इसमें से सब्जेक्ट कौन सा और प्रेडिकेट कौन सा, तो आप उनको किस तरह से आइडेंटिफाई करोगे. तो आपको इस तरह से क्वेश्चन दिया जाएगा, आइडेंटिफाई द सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट इन द गिवन सेंटेंस like this, or find out the subject and predicate in the given sentences. For example, the first sentence I have kept is the cat is sleeping on the sofa. तो मैंने आपको बताया था कि हमने सब्जेक्ट जब फाइंड करना है तब हमने दो वर्ड्स देखने हैं, who या फिर what. तो देखिए यहाँ पे काम क्या हो रहा है, सोफे पे सोने का. अब हमने अपने आप से क्वेश्चन पूछना है, जो मैंने आपको ट्रिक बताई थी. काम देख लिया हमने क्या हो रहा है, स्लीपिंग ऑन द सोफ़ा. हु इज़ स्लीपिंग ऑन द सोफ़ा, तो कौन स्लीप कर रहा है सोफ़ा पे, द कैट. तो द कैट हमारा सब्जेक्ट हो जाएगा और रेस्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस विल बिकम प्रेडिकेट कि कैट क्या काम कर रही है. सो द कैट इज़ स्लीपिंग ऑन द सोफ़ा, द सब्जेक्ट इज़ कैट एंड इज़ स्लीपिंग ऑन द सोफ़ा इज़ predicate. Now see the next sentence. My father works in a bank. अब यहाँ काम क्या है, works in a bank. ये मेन हमारा जो हम बोल सकते हैं काम है या एक्शन है जो भी हो रहा है. अब who works in the bank, हमने अपने आप से ये क्वेश्चन पूछा that who works in the bank. तो जो भी who का आंसर होगा that will become subject and the rest will become predicate. Now see, the subject is my father and the predicate is works in a bank. तो subject क्या काम करता है, works in a bank. Next is the children are playing in the garden. Now see, again we have to identify what work is being done here. Playing का काम हो रहा है garden में. Who is playing in the garden? Children. So children becomes subject and rest of the sentence becomes predicate. So the children are subject and are playing in the garden becomes predicate. Next sentence is she sings beautifully. तो हमने अपने आप से पूछना है who sings beautifully. तो यहाँ she बन जाएगा. जो who का आंसर होगा या what का आंसर होगा वो हमारा subject होगा और बाकी सारा हमारा predicate होगा. So she becomes subject and predicate becomes sings beautifully. Next is the sun rises in the east. So we will ask the question, who rises in the east? Sun rises in the east, so sun becomes the subject and rest of the sentence becomes predicate. Sun, subject, rises in the east, predicate. Rahul and his sister went to the market. Again ask the question, who went to the market? Rahul and his sister. So Rahul and his sister becomes subject and rest of the sentence becomes predicate. So Rahul and his sister दोनों गए हैं मार्केट, सो दोनों ही सब्जेक्ट होंगे and next becomes predicate. The next sentence is the dog barked loudly at the night. Again, who barked loudly at the night? We asked who barked loudly at the night, so the answer came the dog. So dog is a subject and the next is, so this bark loudly becomes predicate and the dogs becomes subjects. Next is we are learning grammar. We are learning grammar. Who is learning grammar? We. Okay, so we becomes a subject and rest of the sentence becomes predicate. तो आपने सिर्फ who का क्वेश्चन अपने आप से पुट कर लेना है. So we is the subject and our learning is the predicate. So the last sentence is the teacher explained the lesson. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. Again, who explained the lesson clearly? The teacher. So the teacher becomes subject and explained the lesson becomes predicate. So I hope that subject and predicate are clear to you. Now you can find subject and predicate in any of the sentence.